So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Chrome extension Awesome Screenshot, and it's just a way to capture part of a website or an entire web page and convert it over into a JPEG. Most people are familiar with the print screen function on your keyboard, which basically takes a picture of your entire screen, and then some people drag it over and crop it in Microsoft Word or Google Docs or your email. Awesome Screen Capture can help cut down on some of that workload, and so I'll show you how it works. Let's just say I'm here in Newsela and I want to send somebody an email, but I want to basically get this entire picture into my email. So I don't want to highlight and copy everything. I just want a picture of it. So I come over here to Awesome Screen Capture, and it's going to give me a couple options here. I can capture the visible part of the page, so what I'm looking at. I can capture a selected area. I could capture the entire page. I could capture my desktop with the premium feature, but that one you could just do your regular print screen on your keyboard. So for this one, I'm going to say capture a selected area. You basically create a box that you would like to take a picture of, click capture, and then it saves just that piece. What you can do here is that there's a couple other features with cropping. You can add in a rectangle to your image if there's something that you want to point out. There's an arrow. If you want to add an arrow, a line, you can add in some text. There's also a blur image if you're taking a picture of something that has your name on it and you don't want them to see. You can kind of blur that out really quickly. There's just that undo feature. When you're done, you just click done, and then you can do a couple things so that you can save it so that you have it on your desktop. You can add it to Google Drive. You can copy it to your clipboard. You can send it for print. I always find the easiest thing to do is just right click and copy the image. From here I can come to some place like my mailbox and right click and just paste it in. So along with the image came some just simple annotations that I made. The little blur feature is pretty useful, rectangles and arrow. I find that this feature, just selecting part of an image and copying and pasting somewhere, is what I use most of the time. So just before we end here, I just wanted to show you the other features of Awesome Screen Capture. So I can do capture the visible part of the page, and so I just have just that part that I was looking at, and I can make my annotations. If I'd like to, I can capture the entire page. Now this is going to take a little bit more time, depending on the speed of your computer. And so this is what it looks like after. It gets a little weird with some of these little arrows that will insert when you're trying to capture an entire page. But again, like I said, I find it most useful when I'm just cropping out small images to email to someone or to put it into a document or presentation that I'm doing. So that is Awesome Screen Capture. I hope you find that useful and get to play around with this tool.